Alright guys, how's it going? This is Justin. We just had our last person pay in the box break auctions. So go ahead and bust into this box of 2010 Panini Limited. You guys can see this. It is box number 2. It's 25. I already know it's 25. I don't know if you guys can see it. 25. You guys can kind of see that. Alright, let's go ahead and break into it. Thank you everybody for joining in my box breaks. And let's hope for some big ones. Checklist. Pack of cards. Alright, good luck everybody. Take our back base card to the front. Rest my cards down right there. First card, Brett Favre, Minnesota Vikings, numbered 23 out of 499. Second card, back-to-back star quarterbacks. Tom Brady, New England Patriots, numbered 350 out of 499. Third card, we have a legend card of Raymond Berry, Indianapolis Colts. Baltimore Colts there, but Indy. Numbered 272 out of 499. Fourth card, Phenoms, Pittsburgh Steelers, Antonio Brown. It is numbered 28 out of 499. Next, we have another Phenom card of Victor Cruz, New York Giants. That is numbered 404 out of 499. First hit is jersey card, Mr. MJD, Maurice Jones-Drew, for the Jacksonville Jaguars. And is numbered 93 out of 100. Tell you guys who it's for. The Jaguars. Actually, the Jaguars went unbought. So it is going to be my card. It's for sale for trade if any of you guys want that. Second card, and maybe you guys can see that card that's right down there. You can see the back. It's a very nice card. Very nice player. But second hit, we have Larry Fitzgerald for the Arizona Cardinals. Numbered 83 out of 100. Jersey card there. And our final hit. Yes, it is Mr. Sam Bradford himself for the St. Louis Rams autograph. Very nice for the Rams. Numbered 79 out of 99. Very nice card there. And the Rams we'll go to Vincenzo's 22. First time doing a break with me, Vincenzo's, and you get this beautiful Sam Bradford rookie autograph card. Thank you guys for joining in my break. I actually have another box here, 2010 Panini Limited. I'm just going to do this one, a YouTube break. So if you guys are interested in getting into this one, just let me know what teams you're interested in, and we'll work something out for that. But thank you guys for joining in my break. Hope you guys like the cards.